Did you know that sleek gadgets inspired by the Kestrel might be quietly disrupting our urban ecosystems? It's a bit concerning, right? While we're often captivated by these devices, there's a side to them that often goes unnoticed. It's not just about innovation, we must consider the hidden consequences as well. As cities expand and we eagerly adopt new technology, this rapid growth frequently comes with hidden costs. The kestrel, a marvel of nature known for its agility and efficiency, influences our gadgets in ways that could disrupt our delicate urban ecosystems. Imagine enjoying a sunny afternoon in your local park, surrounded by cheerful birds and fluttering butterflies. But what if those joyful sounds start to fade? What if the technology you admire is contributing to their decline? You might think it's just a gadget. How could it harm anything? But let's take a closer look. The materials used in these devices often come from unsustainable sources and can leach into the soil and water, creating a chain reaction that many overlook. Now picture that sleek Kestrel-inspired drone you've been eyeing. It looks harmless, right? Yet it could be contributing to habitat loss. Each flight might disturb nesting areas, pushing vulnerable species further toward the edge. Let's not forget about noise pollution. The very sounds that make our technology appealing can disrupt communication among wildlife. The buzz of a phone or the whir of a drone can drown out bird calls, leaving them confused and isolated. There's more to consider. The aesthetics we admire often mask a darker reality. The energy consumption of these gadgets can accelerate climate change, affecting urban weather patterns and the biodiversity we cherish. So what can we do? Recognizing the hidden costs of the technology we love is the first step. We can support brands committed to sustainable practices and materials. It's not just about what looks good, it's about what feels right for our environment. Every choice we make, from the gadgets we buy to the parks we enjoy, shapes the world around us. So the next time you reach for that Kestrel-inspired device, ask yourself, what impact is it really having? Join the conversation. Let's make informed choices together for a healthier urban ecosystem, because every small action counts. What if I told you that a simple gadget inspired by the graceful kestrel is creating serious issues in our urban ecosystems? Stick with me, because what I'm about to share might surprise you. Many of us love our tech, those smart devices that promise to simplify our lives. But have you ever considered the hidden consequences they might bring? It's easy to overlook how our fondness for these gadgets disrupts the delicate balance of urban wildlife. Imagine a bustling city filled with activity. Birds are soaring high, chirping in the warm morning sun. Yet, beneath this seemingly perfect scene, there's a growing wave of stress among the very creatures we admire. The kestrel, known for its beauty and sharp hunting skills, is feeling the pressure. But why is that? Let's dig a little deeper. Think about the sleek drones zipping through our neighborhoods. They may seem harmless, but these Kestrel-inspired designs unintentionally mimic the predatory behaviors of birds of prey. Picture a majestic kestrel gliding effortlessly above your local park, only to be startled by a buzzing drone. The shock can be overwhelming, making the world feel much more threatening. And it doesn't stop there. The noise pollution from these technological wonders can disrupt their hunting patterns, leading to increased stress and even lower breeding success. It's a silent struggle many of us might never notice. Now, imagine yourself in the midst of this chaos. You're enjoying a sunny afternoon, but overhead, the skies are filled with relentless tech. The kestrels, once so confident, now retreat, their home transformed into a battleground. As urban areas expand, these stress signals are becoming more apparent. Kestrels are adapting, but at what cost? Their resilience is impressive, yet it's a fragile thread holding the ecosystem together. Are we, in our pursuit of progress, losing touch with the essence of our environment? But there's hope. We can take small actions that make a big difference. Imagine supporting local wildlife initiatives or advocating for quieter, more eco-friendly tech solutions. What if your next gadget was designed with nature in mind? As we wrap up, let's reflect on our role in this complex relationship. The next time you reach for that shiny new device, remember the kestrel watching from a distance. Could your choices help restore balance? Consider this and perhaps share this message with others. Together, we can create a future where innovation and nature thrive side by side. Imagine technology inspired by the kestrel, enhancing our lives while respecting the delicate balance of nature. So take a moment to reflect the next time you reach for that latest gadget. Consider what it might be costing the world outside your window. We have the power to shape a future that balances innovation. If you found this perspective enlightening, join the conversation. Your voice matters. Together, we can create a future that honors both technology and nature.